Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll be talking about the how you can actually add the cricket live score widget in any Android device right now. So recently, friends, I did come across this kind of feature. So where you can get this kind of live cricket score widget for free without even downloading any kind of third-party applications. So just by using one simple trick which is available currently in the Android phones, and if you're that kind of person who doesn't know, and if you're new to this kind of feature, try to watch till end of the video how to add this kind of small live score widget, which is very good and really convenient to see the live scores whenever you want without even opening any kind of third-party applications. Because using third-party applications, main drawback is that there will be so many ads, annoying ads coming in the third-party application. But this kind of small widget will be keeping you posted with the real-time score, how many runs and in how many balls, as well. As you can see, so right now India and Australia cricket match is going on, and during this time this is pretty useful for me, because most of the time if I'm using any WhatsApp or if I'm using Messenger to chat with my friends, I can keep track of this live cricket score. And in case if you want to download this kind of best Android applications and this kind of best live wallpaper, TikTok wallpaper, try to check the links in description. You'll find so many interesting videos on the live wallpapers and best Android applications as well. Try to check the links in description. First, let's start with this kind of tutorial how you can actually add this kind of small cricket score widget. So first is that you need to open the Google Chrome browser or any other third-party browsers as well. This kind of trick will work. So once you open the Google Chrome browser, so just type a live cricket score in the Google search, as you can see here. So once you type the live cricket score in the Google search, you'll get this kind of option which is called a pin live score, as you can see here, friends, clearly. The small pin live score option you will be getting. So just click on that pin live score. So this will create the small floating window here, as you can see, so which is really convenient and which is really small, so it won't even interrupt any data or any other applications what you're using, no matter even if you're playing games also, I think. So let me try one of the game. So let me try this game. So let's see, as you can see, even while playing the games also you can keep track of this live cricket score as well, as you can see, friends. So but only one drawback is that you can only place the widget at the two corners only. You cannot place the widget wherever you want. I wish you can do that, but right now you cannot do that. So which is really good even while playing games or maybe while watching videos. So while watching YouTube or MX Player, doesn't matter, even Netflix, so you'll get this kind of small notification. And next thing is that if you want to see in detail info who is bowling and what is the runs of individual batsmen, you can just tap on that one time, and this will give you the list, like who is the latest bowlers and who is the Indian batsmen right now they're batting, as you can see here. So which will be giving you a very good information with the runs and how many balls they are utilized, as you can see clearly. So these are a quick review on this one small window. And one thing is that this will occasionally get a lag, as you can see right now it's not responding. So sometimes this kind of widget doesn't work properly, as you can see the way it was supposed to be working. It doesn't work right now, you can see your friends. So just need to go to the home page, and sometimes it will also display the image Google isn't responding, just click wait. But because the widget is already working, as you can see, sometimes it will respond properly, but sometimes it doesn't respond properly. This information will get frozen for some long time. So this is overall a quicker way to see the update on the real-time cricket score in any other Android device. And next thing is that if you cannot see this kind of floating window in your Android phone, so there is another step you need to do that. So let me try to explain you. So try to click that Google Chrome application, long press on that one. So once you do the long press, now go to these advanced options and go to this picture in picture mode. So try to enable this option. So sometimes if you disable this option, the floating widget doesn't work. So sometimes in few of the phones it doesn't work, so try to enable this option. So once you enable that, it should definitely start working, this kind of uploading animation, so which is really good and convenient. And do let me know in the comments below, friends, what are your thoughts about this latest added the live wallpaper videos and so many Android applications. So every day or every week I'll try to post plenty of Android applications and Android reviews regarding the wallpaper and application reviews as well, tips and tricks also. So stay tuned for more this kind of upcoming videos which I'll be doing, friends. Lot of videos are in my mind at the moment to make, and definitely your support will be helping a lot and motivating me as well. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and for more interesting videos don't forget to check the links in description. And as you can see right now, unfortunately India, I think it's gonna lose, I think so, at this kind of range. As you can see, 94 runs in 27 balls, so I'm not sure whether we can do it. So do let me know in the comments below, friends, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.